strong positives and there are few negatives. So, and obviously negatives will play out some point in time. So I would tend to think that market is in a very positive trajectory. There would be periods of correction led by concerns which are there. So in my opinion, one should trade market very cautiously, but on a positive note.
With respect to those dampeners coming into the markets, everyone says that this is a rally that should be tempered with a bit of caution rather than exuberance. Do you think that it will come from factors overseas rather than just domestic and local factors back home?
See, I think it can be anything, and it will be a combination of all factors. It could be anything which can. So it could be right now global factor seems to be working for India, given the fact that we had a strong QE2, which is I think. Which means a lot more liquidity towards Indian markets and emerging markets in general. So which is working fine. But I think my main concerns for India would be the inching up inflation rate, or it's not coming down. And I think so with the possibility of oil again going closer to 100. So I think right now in India growth momentum is very strong, but there could be issues like inflation. There could be inflation-driven tightening. So those kind of concerns can put some sort of breaks or sort of correction or consolidation to the Indian rally. And obviously, if anything serious happens in the global markets, which could be primarily, in my opinion, could be currency-led. So anything going wrong in the currency dynamics in any part of the world could probably cause serious disruption in the global equity markets, and also obviously that will have an impact on India.
Vikas, really talking about Coal India, because that was certainly showed a lot of strength with respect to the Indian economy. One can't really ignore that. What is your stance for investors for a long period of time with respect to Coal India?
I think Coal India in that sense was a game changer for Indian markets. You saw highest ever subscription coming to close to $25 billion, unprecedented amount in Indian market. You saw in a day, 67% of the volume when it got listed came from one scrip, which was Coal India. You saw about 25 crores shares got delivered, which was again a very historic thing. So I think, success of Coal India is to be celebrated, and I think it is a big change, a game changer for Indian markets. In my opinion, there is a good demand for quality paper which comes out from Indian corporate sector, and I think, in my opinion, this is also a reflection of the fact that how the global investors are responding to investment opportunities in India, and I think it's probably a beginning of a very new trend, and we will see flows from the international investors to Indian markets remaining very robust.
And with respect to giving our viewers a few top sectoral bets, I assume banking features on your list?
Yeah, I think given the fact that we still have a huge investment going on and credit likely to be very strong, so and banking is a sector which has remained very strong and is likely to remain very strong. Broadly speaking, you have India investment story, consumption story, so they are playing out. You have banking sector doing very well, you have auto sector doing very well, consumer sector doing very well. So I do not see anything significantly changing to the story. In my opinion, in fact, the sector, infrastructure sector, which is largely capital consuming and it has remained sort of out of flavor, can also start catching up, in my opinion. Other thing, I would tend to think that as the market continues to do well, a lot of mid-cap stories, will come of an age, and I think they will start doing very well. A lot of smaller companies will become big, and they will deliver much higher and superior return to the overall index. So the key challenge would be identifying the stocks and some of the smaller sectors and stocks, and taking a bet on them.
This show brought to you by ASK Wealth Management, over 25 years of managing wealth.
SKI wishes you a very happy and prosperous Diwali. SKI, grow with us.
I want to see the chef, please. This is the best Chinese I've ever had.
If it's Chinese, it's made in China. Before you realize, your loved ones will grow. What about your money? For incredible investment opportunities, talk to SMC. MoneyWise, be wise.
नई बाइक
ये तूफान से टोपी लाती है क्या? टोपी? नहीं यार, मैं तो टोपी दुकान से ही खरीद लेता हूँ।
महिंद्रा स्टैलियो, जिंदगी में आगे निकलने के लिए जरूरी नहीं जिंदगी को पीछे छोड़ दे, क्योंकि जिंदगी का मजा जीने में है।
महिंद्रा स्टैलियो, जान है, शान है और इत्मीनान भी। और हाँ, इस विज्ञापन में मेरे द्वारा किए गए हर सीन को आप आसानी से कर सकते हैं। राइड सेफली।
SKI wishes you a very happy and prosperous Diwali. SKI, grow with us.
Making high-efficiency solar cells, fully automated German technology, 160 megawatts annual capacity, exporting to France, USA, Spain, China, Taiwan, Japan. Untouched, except by technology. It all adds up to the Indo Solar System. Indo Solar Limited.
बेस्ट होने के लिए बेस्ट बनना पड़ता है, लड़ना पड़ता है, जीतना पड़ता है, तब जाके बनता है the best.
We have our homes at Amrapali because Amrapali is the best and you deserve the best.
आपका घर बनाते हैं Amrapali Group, developing India.
Before you realize, your loved ones will grow. What about your money? For incredible investment opportunities, talk to SMC. Moneywise, be wise.
When our chefs wake up on time, our kitchen works on time. When the hostesses wake up on time, they look oh so pretty on time. When our pilots take off on time, we get our work done on time. We become the world's most powerful economy on time. On time is a wonderful thing.
रंग रंग सोना रंग रंग कॉपर का रंग कॉपर का रंग कॉपर में छुपी खुशियों का रंग बिजली में बसा कॉपर का रंग रेलों में दिखे कॉपर का रंग रंग एक नहीं है हजार यहाँ घर घर चमके कॉपर का रंग कॉपर का रंग।
Hindustan Copper Limited, the copper miner to the nation.
Bank of India wishes you all a very happy and prosperous Diwali. Relationship beyond banking.
All right, welcome back. In conversation with Deepak Mohani. And Deepak, before we let you go, out of the top gainers, the likes of a Bajaj Auto or a few other stocks, Bajaj Auto, Tata Motors, Dr. Reddy, what would you definitely avoid?
Avoid, I think none of these actually. They are all pretty good stocks. But if I had to prioritize them, then I would put Bajaj Auto on top simply because it falls the least whenever there is a correction. And it's doing pretty well anyway in the rally. So Tata Motors may be slightly volatile once the market goes through a severe correction. Reddy is sort of neutral. It's not gaining that much, but wouldn't fall very much either. So that would be your sort of pick there.
Right, Deepak, just about the time that we have. Thanks very much for joining us on this very special day. Happy Diwali to you once again from the entire 18 Hour family. Shushmita Sen, well, she was present at the Bombay Stock Exchange as well, part of the celebrations. Here's her Diwali wish to all of you, and also the reason why she was there in the first place.
I'm very Diwali to everybody watching. This couldn't have been better. I think it kind of announces the arrival of a magnificent time. It's my birthday month. On the 19th of November, I turn very young. And to top that up, I'm here in BSE, and the Bombay Stock Exchange has always been something you heard about with a great amount of aspiration. And when you start owning a business, it's fantastic to come to the Bombay Stock Exchange and feel the air and the vibrations here and say, one day I'd like my company to be listed here. And we're already at the count of almost 5,000 companies that are listed here, so that's fantastic. Add to that No Problem, which is my release on the 10th of December, where, as you saw, we're all very, very excited. I think the tide is turning, and just like the market today, 21,000, like they were pointing it out, we're going to start big. Do you invest in stocks? Darling, I have always been someone who has a fantastic team that does. I'm more a mutual funds kind of person. My investments are very, very different. The stock market is more my dad, and the part of my company that he looks after, because he's a director and a shareholder. So yeah, when we do get listed, at that point I would officially be.
A little bit of glitz and glamour adds to the charm.
Oh yes, indeed. But that's the special coverage of the Muhurat trading session. We hope you benefited from it, some long-term ideas for all our viewers, but from all of us at the ET Now family. Thanks so much for being a part of our lives, and we continue to bring you market action starting Monday. Thanks for watching this.
Happy Diwali once again to all our viewers. Namaskar, but keep it with the channel, because we continue our Diwali celebrations with Shankar Sharma this time around.
This show brought to you by ASK Wealth Management. Over 25 years of managing wealth.
SKI wishes you a very happy and prosperous Diwali. SKI, grow with us.
बेस्ट होने के लिए बेस्ट बनना पड़ता है, लड़ना पड़ता है, जीतना पड़ता है, तब जाके बनता है the best.
We have our homes at Amrapali because Amrapali is the best and you deserve the best.
आपका घर बनाते हैं Amrapali Group, developing India.
Before you realize, your loved ones will grow. What about your money? For incredible investment opportunities, talk to SMC. Moneywise, be wise.
Meeting? Now? Ginza Complex now, fast! お客さん見てください。とっても美味しいね。No, no, Ginza Complex fast! 一番美味しいお店にお連れしますよ。
Access the world of interesting apps on your LG Optimus smartphone. Life's good when you live interestingly.
SKI wishes you a very happy and prosperous Diwali. SKI, grow with us.
मैं अनिल कुमार शर्मा, चेयरमैन आम्रपाली ग्रुप, दीपावली के शुभ अवसर पर आप सभी देशवासियों को हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं देता हूं।
लेरोलाइट पेश करते हैं इम्प्रेशंस इको क्लीन, जो है बिल्कुल प्योर, न स्मेल, न धब्बे और न ही हार्मफुल फ्यूम्स।
Before you realize, your loved ones will grow. What about your money? For incredible investment opportunities, talk to SMC. Moneywise, be wise.
I want to see the chef, please. This is the best Chinese I've ever had.
If it's Chinese, it's made in China.
New bike, huh? Plane से रेस लगाएगी? इतनी जल्दी नहीं है यार। वैसे भी घर ही जाना है। माँ इंतजार कर रही है।
माँ? महिंद्रा स्टैलियो, जिंदगी में आगे निकलने के लिए जरूरी नहीं जिंदगी को पीछे छोड़ दे, क्योंकि जिंदगी का मजा जीने में है।
महिंद्रा स्टैलियो, जान है, शान है और इत्मीनान भी। और हाँ, इस विज्ञापन में मेरे द्वारा किए गए हर सीन को आप आसानी से कर सकते हैं। राइड सेफली।
Making high-efficiency solar cells, fully automated German technology, 160 megawatts annual capacity, exporting to France, USA, Spain, China, Taiwan, Japan. Untouched, except by technology. It all adds up to the Indo Solar System. Indo Solar Limited.
Indian markets have come up a really long way, and for the year gone by, Indian markets were one of the best performing markets in the entire emerging market basket. Are the gains here to stay, or is this as good as it gets? ET Now Today would decode this mystery for you, and we are here to celebrate Diwali with someone who has predicted many booms and many busts. In 2008,